Good morning to everyone. We are from Team Super Ignite from Guru Nanak Institution of Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana, and we are glad to be taking part in GKDC, 11 GKDC. And today we are going to present our CRD presentation. Thank you.
So coming to our CRD, CRD is made by considering these three costs. One is material cost, tooling cost, and operation cost. Here, the material cost is nothing but the cost for all the raw materials used in manufacturing process. So next coming to tooling cost is nothing but the cost for all the jigs, welds, jigs, mouths, and all the tools utilized for the manufacturing process. So operational cost is nothing but the cost associated for the manufacturing and fabrication part. Next, coming to the first one, frame. So for frame, we have used polymer steel AISI 4130 grade, seamless one. So the total cost for raw materials is around 5,000. Next, the process used in the chassis is pipe bending, cutting, welding, and also notching. So the pipe bending, we have total 7 bends. For each bend, it costs us around 100 rupees. So the total will be around 700. Next, coming to cutting and grinding, the total cost for this is 750 rupees, in which the time taken is 150 minutes. Next, going to welds, the total weld length is around 247 inches. The cost per weld is 60 per inch. So the cost for the filler is around 139 rupees. So the total cost for this welding process is 4,000 approx. Next, coming to notching, the total number of notchings are 38. The cost for one notching is 12 rupees. The tool used is bolts or so the total cost is around 456 rupees. The total cost for this frame is around 11,000. Next, coming to steering system. In the steering system, we have steering wheel, steering column, belt crank, and also tie rods or ordnance. So for this steering system, the steering is made up of wood and aluminum. So the cost for the laser cutting is the time taken for the laser cutting is 15 minutes. The process cost is 365 rupees. This includes the machining cost and also labor cost. Labor cost is unusual. It's 85 rupees. So the process cost is around 365 rupees. Next, coming to lathe machining, the time for the lathe machining is 20 minutes. The process cost and the labor cost are around 84 rupees. Next, coming to cutting and grinding, the time taken for cutting is 14 minutes. The total cost will be 58 plus 12 rupees. So next, coming to welding, the total length here of welding is 7 inches. The cost per weld is same, so 16 per inch. The total cost will be around 7 to 16 rupees. Next, coming to drills. So total number of drills is 14. We have drills in the belt crank and also in the steering wheel. So the time taken for the drill is 10 minutes. Next is wheel and assembly. So in this wheel and assembly, we are having wheel, tire, hub, and stubs and rod ends. So the total weld length is around 7 inches. The cost of weld is same, 16 per inch, and the total cost will be around 121 rupees, including the filler cost. So coming to drills, so the total number of drills is 18, and the time taken is 20 minutes. So the cost will be around total cost for the only drilling process is 38 rupees. Next, coming to lathe machining, here lathe machining we have done hubs, wheel hubs. So the time taken for the wheel hubs is 60 minutes. The total cost will be around 1,500 rupees, including the labor charge.
When we are coming to the braking system, we have done the laser cutting for the brake pedals and disc plate, and the lathe machine is used to manufacture the disc hub. When we are coming to the laser cutting, the time taken for the laser cutting is 11 minutes,
and the process cost is around 225 rupees, and labor cost is around 50 rupees. The total cost is around 275 rupees. And when we are coming to the welding to connect the or weld the brake caliper, the total weld length is 2 inches, and the cost of weld is 16 rupees per inch, as same as before, and the cost of filler rod is around 3 rupees, and the total cost comes around 35 rupees. The lathe machine, it takes the time of 23 minutes, and the process cost is around 575 rupees, and the labor cost is 135 rupees. The total cost comes around the 713 rupees, and this is the braking system. And when we are coming to the powertrain and fuel tank setup, here the manufactured parts are the chain guard, fuel tank, and the sprocket. The here includes the several process like cutting. The time taken for the cutting is 27 minutes, and the cost of operation is 128 rupees, and the tooling cost is 33 rupees. The overall cost comes around 161 rupees. And when we are coming to the drilling for the fuel tanks and the chamber, the drilling, the number of drills are 18, and the process and labor cost is 53 rupees. The time taken for the drilling is 11 minutes. The total cost comes around to the 53 rupees. When we are coming to the welding for joining of the fuel tank or manufacturing the fuel tank, the total weld length is 16 inches. The cost of weld is same as previous, the 16 rupees per inch, and the cost of filler rod is 33 rupees. The total cost comes around 993 rupees. And when we are coming to the laser cutting, the time taken is 10 minutes. The process cost is around 194 rupees. The labor cost comes around 56 rupees. The total cost of this laser cutting process is 250 rupees. Now my friend Hemant will take over the charge.
And now coming to body works, our body works were manufactured in-house, and the material we have chosen is fiberglass. It's a WR type fiberglass with a GSM value of 600. And coming to the body works, the labor cost is around 1300 rupees, which includes the making of molding, layering up, and resin the material. And the raw material cost us around 5500 rupees. And the fasteners to be which is used to fix the bodyworks are 112 rupees, and the cost of operation including labor charges are 876 rupees. So the total cost of making the bodyworks in-house is around 7,788 rupees. Now coming to the list of purchase part. As we know that we cannot manufacture all the parts in-house, because it is highly impossible to maintain a few of the things like efficiency and accuracy. So here are the list of parts we have purchased, like a steering, steering wheel, bearing steering column, float switch, relays, brake or travel switch, and chain, and etc., which are all OEM manufactured parts. Now coming to the total expenditure overview of our vehicle. So here is an overview of our vehicle, which the cost has been divided into percentages. Like here you can see different categories has been divided into different things. So each and every percentage has been taken into consideration into manufacturing of a vehicle, and the total cost of manufacturing of our vehicle is around 94,000 rupees. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Sales. Total expenditure about sales.
Sir, it's actually the pie chart heading has been changed. No, it's actually
It's a clerical error.
yes, sir.
Go back to the previous slide.
No. ஓகே சவுண்ட் கம்மி. கணேஷ் இவர் பேசுகிறதும் அவங்க இது பண்ணுறது மட்டும் ஒரு வீடியோ. அவர் இல்லை ஃபோனில் தான் இவர் பேசுகிறாருல, கமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாருல, அதுவும் அவங்க கேப்சர் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஒரு ஷார்ட் வீடியோஸ் தான்.
Why do you need to buy, purchase